Have you ever wondered how to make money from Binance? Well, you're in the right place. Binance, for those who might not know, is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Born in the whirlwind of the digital currency revolution, it has grown exponentially, becoming a global phenomenon in just a few short years. Binance is not just a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, but a full-fledged financial ecosystem. It offers a wide range of services, from spot and futures trading to staking and even a launchpad for new tokens. It's a hub that's bustling with opportunities where traders, investors, and crypto enthusiasts from all corners of the globe come together. This global reach, coupled with its dedication to innovation and security, has earned Binance a stellar reputation. It's a place where you can explore the possibilities of the crypto world with confidence. Ready to learn how to make money on Binance? Buckle up and let's dive right in. To start making money on Binance, you need to understand the basics of cryptocurrency trading. Now, cryptocurrency trading, in essence, is the buying and selling of digital assets. These assets, or cryptocurrencies, are decentralized forms of currency that use cryptography for security. Let's break down some key terms that will help you navigate the world of crypto trading. First off, buy and sell. When you buy a cryptocurrency, you're essentially purchasing a certain quantity of that digital asset at a specific price. On the other hand, when you sell, you're offering your digital assets for a price to potential buyers. Now let's talk about bid and ask. A bid is the maximum price that a buyer is willing to pay for a cryptocurrency. The ask, conversely, is the minimum price a seller is willing to accept. The difference between these two prices is known as the bid-ask spread, and it's a key indicator of the liquidity or the ease with which an asset can be bought or sold of the market. Spot trading, another term you'll often come across, refers to the buying or selling of a cryptocurrency for immediate delivery and settlement. It's called spot trading because transactions are settled on the spot, making it one of the most straightforward ways to trade. Finally, let's not forget about the importance of market research. It's crucial to understand the market trends, historical data, and news events that could impact the price of the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. A well-informed trader is a successful trader after all. So you see, understanding cryptocurrency trading isn't as daunting as it may seem at first glance. It's about getting to grips with the basic concepts, familiarizing yourself with the key terms, and keeping an eye on the ever-changing market dynamics. With the basics down, you're ready to start trading, but first you need a Binance account. Setting up a Binance account is a straightforward process. You begin by visiting Binance.com and clicking on the Register button. This will lead you to a page where you'll be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Remember, the stronger your password, the safer your account will be. After filling out this information, you'll be sent a verification email. Check your inbox for this email and click the link inside to verify your account. This step is crucial and ensures your account's security. Once your email is verified, it's time to set up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. You can set this up by going to your account settings and following the instructions provided. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Binance account. Congratulations, you now have a Binance account. Next step, funding it. To start trading, your Binance account needs to have funds. So let's dive into how you can deposit money into your account. Firstly, you can use a bank transfer. Simply navigate to the deposit section of your Binance account, select your preferred currency, and follow the instructions for a bank transfer. Remember, processing times may vary depending on your bank. Secondly, you can use a credit card. The process is similar to a bank transfer, but you'll select the credit/debit card option instead. This method is usually faster but might involve additional fees. Lastly, you can deposit cryptocurrency from another wallet. In the deposit section, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, copy the wallet address provided by Binance, and paste it into your external wallet's send field. Each method has its own benefits, so consider these and choose what works best for you. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to start trading. Trading on Binance is where the real action begins. It's like stepping onto the trading floor of a bustling stock exchange, but from the comfort of your own home, with the world's cryptocurrencies at your fingertips. Let's start with the basics. To make a trade, you first need to select a trading pair. This is the two currencies that you'll be trading between. For example, if you have Bitcoin and you want to trade it for Ethereum, your trading pair would be BTC ETH. Binance offers a vast array of trading pairs, so whether you're a Bitcoin enthusiast or an altcoin aficionado, there's something for you. Now, to place a buy or sell order, let's say you've selected your trading pair, you've done your research, and you're ready to trade your Bitcoin for some Ethereum. To do this, you would place a buy order for ETH using your BTC. You can choose to buy at market price, which is the current price at which Ethereum is trading, or you can set your own price by placing a limit order. If you're selling, the process is the same, but in reverse. The thrill of trading comes from the strategic decisions you make. It's about more than just selecting a trading pair and clicking buy or sell. It's about monitoring the market, understanding trends and making informed decisions based on that information. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods of time. This volatility can present opportunities for profit, but also potential for loss. To navigate this volatility, it's important to stay informed. Keep an eye on market trends, read up on cryptocurrency news, and consider the wider economic and political context. Binance offers a range of tools to help you do this. Their advanced trading platform provides real-time charts and a host of technical analysis tools to help you track market movements and identify trading opportunities. But remember, trading is not just about making quick profits. It's also about managing risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always have a plan for what you will do if the market moves against you. This could be setting a stop loss to limit your potential losses, or having a clear exit strategy for when you've reached your profit target. Trading on Binance can be a thrilling, rewarding experience. But like any form of trading, it's not without its risks. So take the time to educate yourself, make informed decisions, and above all, trade responsibly. Remember, successful trading involves careful planning and thoughtful decision-making. So step onto that virtual trading floor with confidence, armed with the knowledge you need to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Making money on Binance is not something that happens overnight. It's a journey. A process that involves learning, adapting, and growing. We've covered some crucial steps in this process today. Let's go over them one more time to consolidate our understanding. We started with an introduction to Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform. We delved into the world of cryptocurrency trading, understanding its dynamics and how it works. We then moved on to creating a Binance account, a simple yet essential step to start trading. Following this, we discussed how to fund your Binance account. And finally, we took a deep dive into trading on Binance, discussing how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and make the most out of your investments. But remember, these are just the basics. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and ever-evolving. It's important to stay informed about market trends, understand the volatility of the market, and make informed decisions. Don't let the fear of missing out drive your trading decisions. Instead, rely on research, market analysis, and a clear understanding of your risk tolerance. Trading responsibly is crucial. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always diversify your portfolio. It's not wise to put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how promising a cryptocurrency might seem. Security is another aspect you cannot afford to overlook. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, and losing access to your digital assets can be devastating. Always secure your account with strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Remember, the journey to making money on Binance is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn continuously. Don't be disheartened by losses. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and improve your trading strategies. As we wrap up, remember that the key to making money on Binance, or any other platform for that matter, lies in your hands. It's about making informed decisions, managing your risks effectively, and staying updated with market trends. Keep learning, keep trading, and soon enough, you might just find yourself making substantial profits on Binance.